Hello, my name is Amanda Blanchard, and today I will be discussing the Saguenay Aluminum Industrial Cluster in northern Quebec. The organization and operation of this cluster is very interesting. In 2011, they reported to have 20 businesses in the area with an average of 134 employees per business. The operation of this cluster involves many different processes in order to refine the aluminum being mined. Therefore, the breakdown of employees in different sections would be about 42% in manufacturing and another 23% in trades and transport of the products, with leaving about 35% for management and higher positions regarding education and research. This to me seems like more a Fordism ideology because it has a lot of a focus on the manufacturing or extraction of the aluminum compared to the management and running of the sector. This could be due to the fact that it is in the primary sector and because it is heavily required to have more physical labor than the management and higher up type employees. As for the locational pattern of the cluster, you can see in the map used as the background of this PowerPoint that it is in a diagonal pattern from the top left of Saguenay to about Baie des Ha. This could be along a vein of aluminum, so the dispersal is to allow better access to the natural resource. And the locational pattern of the cluster goes with the theory discussed in class regarding profit maximization, which focuses on the transportation costs for firms. Although the spread out pattern may seem like the wrong thing to do when wanting to minimize transport costs, since the industry is in the primary sector, there is no need to reach the consumer market. Therefore, the dispersal of different agglomerations allows for close proximity between mines and refining plants within the separate agglomerations making up this cluster. Therefore, the transport costs between different processing steps would be minimized. The organization and locational pattern has allowed for about 10,000 people in the Quebec region to be employed in the aluminum industry, as well as a high productivity with regards to $121 an hour being the lowest that the productivity has had in the past 20 years for the aluminum industry in Quebec. This has given the Canadian government and Quebec government much of a motivation to bring in more policies to help develop the area, bring in more international input, and hopefully improve the development.